Hi, I'm Candice Friesen with Investor Smarts, and today we're talking about tough money conversations with family. So first of all, we're going to talk about kids and money, and it's really important if you have kids to start early. So sometimes people think, well, I'll wait till they're 16 or 17, but we really have to start honing in on money values and the importance of money early in life. So kids, even the age of 4 and 5, can start by, helping around the house with, unloading the dishwasher and things like that. But it's instilling that the team effort and that you all work together, right? And talking about values, so what's important to them, what makes them happy, what makes them sad. And those are some things that you can start with even when they're young, and obviously progress as they get older with more and more life lessons and money lessons. So again, another thing to really think about is their values. And you can do that as a family too. What do you value, or what are you looking forward to this year together? So maybe one person says that they like to do a family trip, and the other one says they want to have movie nights, right? And so when you can all think about what you value, then you can work together, because there's always opportunity costs. You can't do it all, right? But as a family, then you can instill these money values to your kids. And of course, start young, right? Just like I said. So start with talking about this stuff when the kids are young already. The other important money conversations to have in your family is with aging parents. So often these are conversations that people just avoid, just like, making a will, right? But these are conversations you need to have. So if an elderly parent passes away, that you know where to find the financial paperwork. What are the things that they want? What are their wishes? Do they have a will, right? So it's not easy conversations to have, but they're really, really important to have. And you want to have them sooner than you think, because you never know where life takes you, right? And so when you're having these types of conversations, it can be difficult. If there's different siblings involved, everyone has different thoughts of how this should all come together if you're having a family meeting. But most important is just to ask the questions to your parents, stay calm, and make sure that you listen to what they're saying, and keep trying. Sometimes it takes a few meetings as well. So just wanted to give you a few tips today, talking to kids and elderly parents, but important money conversations to have within your family. For more tips and more videos, check out investorsmarts.ca.